Good morning, ma'am.
So let me see how many students are there. Okay, why just 27 attendees are there?
Ma'am, maybe there is some confusion. There are two meetings going on.
Oh, really? Why? Why two? Please inform the students to join this meeting quickly. In the meantime, I'm going to share a link with you and you in the chat box. Okay, please inform the students to join this meeting. Let us just wait for them for 2 minutes.
यार ये गलत मीटिंग है, दूसरे मीटिंग में आ जाओ।
भाई ये वाली सही है, मैम भी इसी में है।
Ma'am, see, I told you there is some confusion.
Yes, ma'am, there is some confusion.
Two meeting was started earlier. Both were wrong.
Ma'am, please share the team code. Ma'am, you are mute.
Yeah, I'll share the link with you. Team code, I think, is visible to you people also if you go to the settings. The team code doesn't change. The problem with the link is that it keeps changing with every class. I hope the students are informed.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody who's been given the responsibility of being the CR of the class for the time being or something of the sort?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet.
Not yet, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one of you can share the link of this class with your PL, please. Please mute yourself. So are we good to go now, I believe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
I think we should.
Still one person.
Yes, ma'am.
The other meeting.
Just a moment, I need to plug in the charger. Okay, so finally, today we are going to begin with the first topic. And our first topic deals with communication process. Just let me share the slide with you. Is the slide visible? Please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Not yet.
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet, ma'am.
Visible now?
Now it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the first topic, that your first module regarding communication. So before we begin our discussion on communication, I would like you people to come up with what are your views regarding communication. What do you people think about communication? And in order to do that, I'm going to share a link with you, and you are going to post your views there in that particular site. Okay? Please go to the chat box. I have shared a link there. It is the link of Peer Deck. If you're not able to access the Peer Deck through the link, then please go to joinpd.com. Joinpd.com and use the code ZQXON. ZQXON. ZQXON.
Ma'am, on the after clicking on the link that you have provided, it is asking me to join via Google account. So should I join with my Google account or
Yes,
my
yes,
Amity?
if that's what it's asking, please join it.
Not the Amity account.
Google account.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I can see 14 students are already connected. 16 students rather. Thirty-two students I can see.
When we have to write our views on
Yes, you will get a space. Just wait a moment. Wait a moment. Directly go to joinpd.com. Yesterday I had told you your participation in these activities is very important. It is a part of your assessment. Okay, so be interactive in the class. That's very, very important for you. Only 33 students have joined in. Are the students facing any problem?
Ma'am, can you repeat the topic?
The topic? Which topic?
Sorry, which we have to write about?
Beta, please go to joinpd.com and you will get the question also, okay?
It is saying, what do you wonder about today's topic?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So the topic is communication.
how to submit the response?
There is no need for you to submit. As you are typing your responses, I can see your responses. Please write your names also.
Ma'am, can you please report the code once?
ZQXON. The code is there in the chat box also. ZQXON is the code. It's there in the chat box also. So what do you think about today's topic? And today's topic is communication. So what are your views about communication? In a moment, I'm going to share the responses. Also, I'll share my screen where you can see the responses that you people are giving. Okay, so communication is the bridge between the mind of a person and the world. Interesting. Somebody has just written, I think communication is, and then disappeared. Communication plays a vital role in our life. Without communication, we will not be able to convey our message, ideas, and our thoughts with others. Very nice, Sudhanshu. Communicating effectively is one of the most important skills one can have. Having the knowledge or the skills is not enough. Okay, if you can get your point across, we cannot read each other's minds. Wonderful. Most important skills, yes. Helps us share our views and work effectively in a group. Great. Okay, so I'll just share the screen and you can see for yourself your responses.
Ma'am, I am not able to open.
Not able to open? Why? Please go to joinpd.com.
Ma'am, my phone and not is opening. Installizing Peer Deck is there.
Go to Peer Deck and use the code. Directly go to Peer Deck through Google. And where it mentions join the presentation, use the code there. I'm sure you people are able to see the responses. I've shared my screen with you. Okay, so one thing, please do not use the abbreviations or your WhatsApp language here. It is important because, okay? Yes. It is about expressing our ideas effectively. It is the best way to know others' feelings. Wonderful. It is very necessary. It helps us to maintain human relations. It is about success. We can express ourselves in a better way. Receiver understanding. Best way to express what you feel. Yes, that's great. You people have come up with wonderful points regarding, you have literally, covered up whatever points I needed to discuss with you. Great. Ideas, feelings, emotions. Yes, wonderful. Yes, understanding is very, very important. It is the way of conveying messages. Good. It's about language, it's about signs. It is about relations. Okay, how attractive you can be with others. Interesting way of expressing yourself quickly and comprehensively. Okay, so that's great. You people have expressed your views wonderfully. So, communication is so many things, isn't it? When we talk about communication, it is such an integral part of our life. You talk about emotions, you talk about feelings, you talk about messages, you talk about ideas, you talk about thoughts. All these things we need to connect, we need to communicate with people around us. So communication is a very, very integral part of our existence. You know, about humans, it is said that human beings, they are gregarious by nature. What do we understand by the word gregarious? And what do I mean when I say that human beings, they are gregarious? Yes?
They are sociable.
Yes. That is, we are social animals. This is something we say about humans, that humans, they are social animals, isn't it? Right. So we cannot, we are not islands, you know, we cannot live without communicating. We cannot live without connecting with people around us. We are not islands, we are gregarious, we are social beings. We have that inherent need to connect with each other. And this is exactly, you know, why when we talk about, you know, when you feel very low, when you feel very sad, people will always try to reach out to you, or you know, your parents will suggest, or even the doctors or the counselors will suggest, talk to this person, make this person interact with other people, right? Or when we talk about, let's take another example, what isolation can do to you. If you have to break down a person, you know, you simply stop talking to that person, isolate the person. You must have heard often that, you know, these hardened criminals that are there, or the terrorists that are there, they are given solitary confinement. What is solitary confinement?
Being in a small space for a long periods of time.
Alone.
Yes.
Alone.
Solitary means alone. So you are in a space all by yourself. How long you can be content and normal just being with yourself, right? So this is a procedure that the police follows. Why? Because at one point the person is on the verge of going crazy, on the verge of breaking down, and that's the time when those people, they start blurting out the truth, or they start actually speaking, you know. So that is why we are engineered in such a way that we have the need to connect. And this is the reason, if you just go down, you know, you, because you're science students, so if you go down to roll back yourself to the history, you will find the inventions that we talk about, or the you know, whatever scientific feats that human beings have achieved. Connection and communication is the heart of it. Would you agree to this or not?
Yes.
Right? Can you cite an example?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example to justify this point? When we talk about the different scientific achievements, or the inventions that we talk about, or any kind of discoveries that we talk about, connection and communication is the core of most of the kinds of research. How will you justify this point? Please raise your hands if you have to say something. Yes, Sparsh, let me begin with Sparsh.
A few years ago, there was a documentary on Nat Geo about Faraday, Michael Faraday, who discovered electromagnetism. And he was a great physicist, but he did not have his capture on mathematics to such a level that he can express what he was trying to. And then he met a mathematician, I am currently forgetting his name, and they both got an instant connection on what he was trying to say. They both understood what was actually happening, and then the mathematician was able to prove what Faraday was trying to say. And so the Faraday's equation came into existence. And so they both communicated in an efficient way, and they both got to know what the idea was. Almost everybody was saying that Faraday was an idiot, stating that electricity and magnetism are related, but after that equation, we all know that they are.
Okay, wonderful. That's a wonderful example that, people, many of us, it happens many a times, we're not able to understand other person's view, but there is some individual who's able to understand that person's point of view, right? Because there are many reasons why. Sometimes it is about commonality of experiences, right? Commonality of understanding, or you are able to understand the non-verbal aspect of communication, which maybe you might have missed out and the other person is able to grasp, right? Wonderful example. Yes, Prajwal?
Ma'am, just like that, we can take the example of Tesla.
Hmm.
The fact that Nikola Tesla was a part of Thomas Edison's team, like he was working with him. But
Hmm.
after inventing the light bulb, Thomas Edison kicked Nikola Tesla out, and Nikola Tesla couldn't explain nicely what he was trying to do,
Hmm.
and Thomas Edison took all the credit, and Nikola Tesla just died crazy at the end.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay, so that's again a wonderful example what your inability to communicate can result in, right? Very nice example again. Rama, you had something to say?
That means scientist communication more effective. Being able to communicate the relevance and impact of their ideas. This is very important. If we are not able to say what we are thinking and then we want to make something, this is not good. So
Yes, very right, very right. Yes, Yash?
Ma'am, as you said, we can talk about discoveries and inventions. When in 2007 or 2009, Steve Jobs introduced the first iPad. So he made the whole world, which the whole world includes technical people, non-technical people who have some to little to no knowledge about technology, and he made them understood what is a retina display, what type of crystals are we using in this product. That was a good level of communication because he made almost the whole wide world understand and buy their product and make the company a $1 trillion company, which it is today.
Very nice, very nicely expressed, very nicely, wonderful example. And Steve Jobs, whenever we say that if you want to understand the art of uh, effective presentation, just go
Yes,
through
ma'am.
some videos of Steve Jobs, right? Great. Yes, Sudiksha. Next, I come to Parth. Yes.
Ma'am, it is actually said that aircraft was invented by Shivkar Bapuji Talpade and not by Wright brothers. Just due to communication, it is said that they invented it, and Shivkar Bapuji is lost in only the articles in which it is written. So that is a strong example of communication and how it can actually change the credits.
It can change the credits. Very right. Very right. Right. Yes. Parth?
Yes, ma'am. We can take the example of Ramanujan, the great Indian mathematician, who, because of lack of communication, cannot publish his theorems, which were, and some of his theorems were actually proven in other countries. And because of lack of communication, he thought that he discovered them, and some of his best work, which he published to the foreign mathematician, was actually proven. So I'm saying just that because of lack of communication, it is very difficult to stay in a mathematician maths industry or science industry, because if you don't know the theorems and if you don't know the published, then it is very difficult.
I was not aware. I was not aware of this particular fact. Okay. Yes, Anshuman.
Good morning, ma'am. I have an example from history where Samrat Ashok fought the Battle of Kalinga. That was a turning point in his life, and from that point, he was impressed or became such a strong follower of Buddhism that he told his people to tell and to go in all the 4 directions to spread Buddhism, to communicate with them, tell them and teach them everything that you could spread about Buddhism. So that turning point of his life just told him that go to all the 4 directions and spread Buddhism, communicate with people.
Connect with people and communicate with people. Yes, this is how religion or the different forms, ways of life, we can say they, they have spread out on different nooks and corners of the world. Religion is not limited to any one particular place. It is everywhere, because how people have traveled and connected and communicated their religious ideologies and beliefs to people. Very right. Yes. Then Sarang, Sudiksha, Anshuman, Prajwal, if you don't have any other point, you can bring the hand down. Otherwise you can keep it up. It'll result in confusion otherwise. Yes, Sarang.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Please be loud, Sarang. I cannot hear you.
Am I audible now?
No, you aren't. That's a very faded voice.
Hello.
Okay, you speak. I'll try to understand.
Good morning. I think if we talk about communication and science, I think Dr. Alexander Graham Bell stands really tall since he invented the telephone. So
yes.
So I think the need for communicating led him into doing that. Now he used to write letters. It would take 14 days to reach his friends, then 14 days to come back. Now a month has passed, and the whole situation might be so different. So the need to communicate at that particular moment, or some moments, because of the primitive technology, maybe a few minutes to make a call. Still, I think that was very important in communicating with other people.
Exactly.
Today we have smartphones, but the inventor of the first phone, I think Alexander Graham Bell, was very important. And also, adding to Tesla and the Ramanujan story, I think they were very, very underrated. I think given the great personalities they were, still I think they were really underrated because of lack of communication. Ramanujan had excellent, I think, thousands and thousands of theorems he had proved, but he could not communicate to other people. So that was a major problem in getting more success or more, knowledge spreading to other people, as well as Nikola Tesla. So I think communication is very, very, very important when it comes to everything, not just science. Thank you.
Very right, very right. That is why yesterday also when we were discussing that if you may have the technical know-how, but either you don't have the resources to communicate, or you don't have the manner of communicating with you, it will result in failure or some or the other kind of disadvantage. Yes, Hiren?
Ma'am, I would like to say our Honorable Prime Minister has this much success because of his communication skills only.
Yes, he being a great orator, and for in the political domain, you have to be a very good speaker. Your rhetorical skills have to be really polished.
Like the friend of Julius Caesar, he caused the war.
I'm forgetting his name. Brutus, yes. Brutus, yeah. Right, very right.
That wasn't Brutus.
Brutus was also involved in the conspiracy.
Brutus resulted in
No. Brutus killed him, and then
Mark Antony.
Yeah, Mark Antony.
Like Anthony, but Brutus was one of the responsible reasons. That's what he's trying to say. But were you talking about Brutus? That's the question.
Ma'am, I was talking about Mark Antony, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Then in that case also you're right, right? Because I remember that's, et tu Brutus, you too Brutus. Right, so yes, next we come to Satvik.
Good morning, ma'am. Like if we are talking about effective communication, then if you're making a discovery, it's easy to communicate it to other people who are already in that field, like a mathematician or physician. But discovery becomes popular only when it is communicated into the masses, right? Yeah, the common man should be able to use it, right? then
And
only it's
understand.
useful.
Yes.
Yeah, then like, and when you implement into the masses, when you start mass producing a product or something, then the supervisor, he need to communicate to his employees, right? How is the product is produced? They need to understand the process. There comes the effective communication, right? Like
Very
it's easy. It's
wonderful.
easy when, yeah.
Wonderful example. Yes. Okay, yeah, Gauri.
Good morning. I think all the discoveries and inventions are always for the public. A product, idea, or a commodity to be profitable should reach the masses. Hence, it is important for the manufacturers or scientists to connect with a large community of people regarding their inventions or commodity in order to benefit the society. And I mean, the independence movement of our country was also a mass movement. With the help of a large group of people, we were able to achieve independence. Thank you.
Very right. Very well explained. Yes, somebody else had also raised the hand. You can please bring your hand down if you're done with your. Yes, Prajwal, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to add to the Ramanujan thing. Actually, Ramanujan died because of TB. That's why he wasn't able to finish his theorems. Otherwise, most of his theorems were on the verge of ending. But due to the complications of passive smoking, he died.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I would like to add another point to this. If we are talking about effective communication, we have to talk about Hitler. He was one of the greatest orators of our time. He rallied a whole country
I agree
against him.
with you, and most of the people disagree with me because I see Hitler as an orator. But
Yes,
people
ma'am.
generally see Hitler as, okay, he
The
was
villain.
so poor, he was notorious. But yeah, good. I have somebody who agrees with me. Because I perceive people as, communicators. This is what happens. The field that you're a part of. When I watch movies, when we attend, conferences, seminars, even if they are not of my domain, I attend those seminars because I love observing people and how they are connecting or how they are communicating, how they are presenting.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
so very right. I agree. Please, you may wind up your thought. Yeah.
The fact that he rallied a whole country behind him, he rallied around 6 million people to just die and kill other people, was. I'm not talking about the ethical points, but
Yes,
it
I
was
absolutely understand.
it was something
To
else.
inspire so many people,
Yes, ma'am.
to inspire them
Exactly.
to do something. So you really need to have those skills, Very right. Yes.
If you try and hear some of his old speeches, you could, without understanding what he's saying, you could just feel the energy of the way he speaks.
Yes.
So powerful.
That's very important.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Thank you.
very right. Yes, Anshuman, you want to add something? No.
Yes, ma'am, I want to add something that overall what everybody has spoke today, I just want to add one thing that communication and the connect with people becomes the base of everything, like traveling and sharing our thoughts and everything, because it was because of this common connect or communication only that during the independence movement, when people started traveling in trains, they had a common connect with each other, that is the suppression by the British rulers. They could speak to each other whenever they are traveling to each other, and this is how we paved our way to independence, because people were, though the languages were different, but people, a person from North India is going to South India, and through trains or some other mode of communication, but still he is able to connect with them because he has that common feeling of suppression.
Very right. Very right. Very right.
So communication today becomes the, I can say, the knee or the base of everything.
Everything. It has always been, in fact. It has always been. Yes, Pragati.
Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to add that the basic communication skill is very important. Although we say that we communicate like everybody does, like we all are right now in online classes, but it is also very important that the way you speak is important. But however, I feel that if we use some kind of aids, for example, if we say nukkar nataks, they are, I guess, very a vital they play a vital role in nowadays
Different
because
means of communication that you use, the different
right,
ways to connect with people, of course.
yes
Very right.
ma'am, like
Very
in
right.
theaters we say
Hmm.
role plays and all, so they not only showcase their talent, like the artist not only showcases their talent, but also they are playing a very important role in in making us understand um, the the problems nowadays faced, or
Exactly. There is some reason why certain movies get banned, why certain books get banned. There is reason behind it, because these are very, very potent, very, very influential tools of communication. Very right. Very nicely. Very nice example. Very nice example. I think, Naman, you've been raising your hand again and again and bringing it down. Naman, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. We can take example of Mahatma Gandhi, how he made Britishers feel that India can't be controlled by other people, and it is our country, and the others, outsiders, cannot control our country.
Yes, very right. That is again another example of a leader, how he also was able to mobilize the entire the public opinion, right? So you people have Pragati. Do you want to add something else also?
no, I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay. Ojas, yes, Ojas.
Ma'am, in today's world, building contacts with new people is extremely important.
Very
And
right.
that is also determined by your communication skills, how effectively you build your contacts with new people.
New people, very right, very right. That's very, very important for your personal and particularly your professional success. Yes,
Yes,
Anshu.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like to add one thing. You just said that certain movies and books are banned. I would just like to add an example to it. Mein Kampf. I don't know it is the autobiography or biography of Hitler, but it is banned for the children because he had such an influence that still the words which are written in book can change a people's way
Mindset,
of thinking.
way of thinking. That's the power of words. That is why they say pen is mightier than sword. There is a lot of truth in that, right? So you people have come up with wonderful examples. To be very honest, the way you have connected the two ideas, the two thoughts with the examples that you gave, that's really uh, so far very, very few students, or hardly I remember my students in first year explaining the significance of communication through such examples. It was a treat listening to all of you. Yes, Samir.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. Ma'am, actually, in my opinion, I think music is also a great way of communication by which artist expresses their views and feelings to the public.
Yes, very right. It is a wonderful way of connecting and communicating. Through music, through songs, uh, there are emotions that get so many. When you even recall your own freedom movement, music has played a very, very important role in it. The songs have played a very, very important role in it. So very true, very right. Yes, Parth.
And I just want to add one more point that in Ramanujan's story, if the foreign mathematician that he went to didn't recognize his work, then we won't be knowing him even. We won't even know the greatest mathematician that born in India. So communication is very important, but communication should be done with those people which understands the point you are speaking.
You are trying to
Otherwise,
say. Yes. Otherwise, you will be just lost in oblivion. Very true.
And you
Yes,
might even lose your idea which you are trying to communicate.
that's very common. As you people grow up, you will realize that losing your scientific ideas to other people is not something that's very difficult. Yes, Ojas, you have still something to say?
No, ma'am, I raised
Okay,
my hand by
you can just
mistake.
bring your hand down. Yes, Yash.
Ma'am, you said getting your ideas stolen. That's how Facebook was found. Mark
I
Zuckerberg
was
actually
about to,
stole the
yeah, I
idea.
was about to come to that. Very right, very right, very right. So you will find, and just like you mentioned Facebook over here, and like I go back to my question that when we talk about invention, when we talk about the different, the discoveries that have happened, connection and and communication is the core behind it. Because, we talk about, if I'm not wrong, wheel was the first invention that we talk about.
Yes, ma'am.
Fire,
Ma'am, I
The
think
ma'am,
most
fire.
important
Ma'am.
ones.
fire.
Wheel and
Okay,
fire.
so either case, I remember wheel. So, but you people are, of course, more of an authority in this field. So, no questioning there. So, even if we talk about wheel, what was the basic purpose? To go from one place to
Another.
another, right? You talk about the
To
printing
communicate.
press, right? So that you could communicate your ideas, they could be preserved in a better way and for a longer period of time. Modes
Yes.
and means of communication, when they came into existence. Why do you think humans have been thinking so much about developing the means and the modes of communication? And when we talk about the bullet trains, the timing so important to connect quickly. You talk about, like you mentioned, telephone, we talk about television, we talk about computers, then we talk about internet, you talk about now the social networking sites, right? Or we talk about the explorations, the space explorations. What, I mean, going to Mars, or thinking about any other planet in this universe, so much of money, so much of capital, so much of energy is being invested into it. And what do we want to know? We actually want to know, is there life outside? Right? We want to connect with people outside. So many theories surrounding aliens are there. We want to know, we want to understand them, we want to find a higher order of life, we perhaps want to share their technology. Yes, Rama?
And I want to add that body language is also a type of non-verbal communication.
Very
We
right,
can
Rama.
express our emotions, facial expressions, that feelings from the body language also.
Yes, that's a very, very important. In fact, 70% of our communication is non-verbal. 70, yeah. You need your non-verbal messages to complete the verbal message. Yes, Arshin.
Ma'am, as you just said that we want to know everything about aliens and what's happening around there. It's just because as the years passed, people grew more and more curious, and now they understood that yes, there's something very interesting out there, and we don't know it, and we want to know it because curiosity is in human nature, and people understood the importance. So that's why they started the printing press, and they started they discovered telephone, and like, you know what I mean.
Yes, yes, I'm absolutely, I agree with you. Yes, Mohit.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Yes.
ancient times, people also used to communicate using smoke signals, delivering their messages.
Yes, that was another way of connecting. Yes, that's very true. That's very true. Yes, Parsh.
On the topic of aliens and alien life, on 23rd of July this year, Pentagon has made some paper public that were classified earlier on, and New York Times has written an article over it, and within it, it states that there were some unidentified flying objects which was recognized by them while they were training in their ships on their ships while they were training their exercises. They saw many these UFOs. Now they have not exactly made clear and declassified what exactly they saw and what they captured, but the thing is that there are now evidences. So now again, as earlier, before this there were no evidence that there were UFOs and aliens, and yet people were convinced. Now there is an convincing evidence that they exist, and now people are going haywire all over it.
Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know about it. Okay, thank you. Again, and why this curiosity is that, again, we want to know them, we want to understand them, because like I told you, we are gregarious by nature. We have the inherent need to know and to connect and to communicate with people. Yes, Anshuman.
Good morning, ma'am. I want to say something that just starting with one topic today, communication, we touched every domain: technology,
Yes.
engineering, history. We went to Hitler. We went to India, the British Raj when India was ruled. We went to space. We talked about aliens. We went to common lives, a man's common problem, why he felt the need to connect from ancient times to today's world, internet, email, WhatsApp, and whatnot. So we touched, I think, every domain, just starting with one topic, that is communication. So in one line, we can say that communication is everything today.
Of course. Very right. It is like they say, communication is the linchpin of our existence. Yes, Satvik.
Ma'am, like I would go back to the topic of Hitler. He was effective not only because he was able to present it very well, but he understood the psychology of the people.
This is
He
known
was
as
able,
audience analysis.
yeah, like he was good at that. He was not only able to present it well, but he understood the people. Like,
Yes.
in order
The
to be
need of
effective,
people,
we need
yes.
to do that. Yeah.
Yes, that's very, very significant, very important to be successful. Yes, Parsh, you have something else to add?
No, ma'am, it is stuck actually.
Yes, right.
As in now.
So such wonderful examples. Yes, Lakshika.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, I just want to say about communication that we know that recently one incident happened or one bill was passed, that is Citizen Amendment Bill. There were like lot of what should I say? मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा problems हुई थी उसको, that it is because of the communication mistake that what the bill was passed and what was actually the people's perception.
Interpretation also matters. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So the perception was wrong, and that we know what else happened then after it. So I think that because of this only, the communication matters a lot, and there are several campaigns that are taken out for just like, and it matters a lot when we communicate to others, so that what we are talking and what the other people can exactly got it, that what we're trying to express.
Yes,
I'm
this
sorry.
is one of the barriers in communication, and I'm going to discuss a very interesting example with you when we discuss the barriers in communication. So, very right. You have a point. You have, that when we do not find the right words, or even if there is one single word, or how that word or that particular thought is interpreted by other people, it can have a big impact. It can change the entire the face of the entire world. Yes, Nikita.
Good morning, ma'am. I just wanted to say about communication that communication is very important, as in this period of lockdown and corona there are many people who are depressed and alone, so they need someone to talk and tell their feelings, what they are feeling in this time. So as you know that there are many suicide happened in this period, so communication is very important.
Very important, right? Very right. So many a times, when we talk about the suicides or these the Sushant Rajput case is much in the news nowadays, and the whatever the reality is, but going on the facts, on the face value, he tried to make one call to his friend, right? So that need to communicate, or like we say that, whenever you're going through a very difficult time, talk to people, connect with people, because communicating keeps us healthy. Communicating with people around us keeps you rejuvenated. You keep recreating when you are communicating with other people. This is what happens. We get recreated every moment. It's just like, it's a very much needed catharsis. You understand the meaning of catharsis? When you give vent to your pent up feelings, the blocked feelings, the bottled feelings. So when you open the cork, or take off the cork of that bottle, your emotions, they come out. Or when you rightly mentioned the medium of films, theater, what happens is that when we watch these mediums of communication, these are mediums of mass communication, we are able to relate to the characters, to the situation, and sometimes when we cry, when we laugh, so those pent up emotions, means the extra bottled up emotions within us, they get an outlet. We feel relieved, and our body, all those negative thoughts, the negative cells, so to say, that is there us, it finds a passage outside. If it remains within us, it can always have a bad impact on us physically and psychologically. Okay, yes, Gauri.
Ma'am, I also feel listening is also one of the most important aspects of communication. Our cabinet ministers always take the advice of educated people of their respected fields to make decisions. I mean, a good communicator or leader should have the temperament to listen to his or her peers.
Listening skills are very, very important, and to be receptive to the viewpoint of other people. Very right. Yes, Parth.
And I want to say that every single company in the entire world, even entire nations, are based on communication. If they cannot communicate, the $1 million companies will even get to ground. They cannot survive without communication.
Without communication. Very true.
And false communication is even very dangerous in some situation. Like if some company is trying to make some product, but because of some miscommunication, they made some changes which are not to be desired, not desired by the public, then it is very dangerous also.
Very true. Very true. Very true. Yes, Arshi.
Ma'am, since we're talking about the impacts of communication, so that a criminal, that someone Dubey in UP was killed a few days ago. So he just said in an interview that he was inspired and influenced by one of Sanjay Dutt's film. So it's also something which impacts people, the way all these films are there, and how they impact people's mind.
There is a reason why all these movies, they get the certificates, the age for which they are appropriate for watching, because a different mindset is, like the younger the minds are, they absorb the ideas more intensely, right? So yes, Divyam.
Ma'am, I don't know if you are familiar with Greek mythology, but Theseus promised his father that on returning from Crete, if he was still alive, the sails would be white instead of black. But he forgot to change the sails, and his father thought his son had died, so he killed himself. So that's another
Non-verbal. That's
non-verbal.
non-verbal communication. Very true. Very true. Very right. Yes, Yash.
Ma'am, I want to just say that mass communication also plays an important role here, I guess. A few years back, I guess last year, 2019 or 2018, there was a movie about to be released, I guess, by the name Sonic. So the audience didn't like the way it was an animated movie. So the audience didn't like the way how they designed the character since the old days of Sonic 1964. since then he has an signature appearance. So they kind of changed that appearance. So almost all the people came to Twitter to just kind of bully and forced the film studio to invest millions of dollars into remaking the whole movie. And they just said, if you don't change, we're not going to watch it. So it's your loss either way.
Of course, the impact of social media play is also very much evident over here, because we have got a platform now where so many voices can come together from different nooks and corners of the world. Very true, and its impact is so strong. Mass communication is a very, very strong media of communication. Yes, Shivansh.
Ma'am, I would like to add to Path's point that many companies invest a huge amount of money in advertisements only because they can communicate to mass a huge amount of people. Then they make the advertisement eye-catching, and so they can connect, and this results into the success of their product or their company.
Right, very true. Okay, I understand so many of you have so many ideas, but it's like 10:14 and I believe you people have second class also scheduled, right? So what we do is, I think we have another class this week. So we'll continue. You can just jot down your ideas and we'll continue our discussion on the importance of communication, and thereafter types and process of communication will be dealt with in the next class. Okay.
Excuse
so
me,
it was, yes.
Sorry to interrupt you in between, but there were no PPTs from technical communication in the LMS account.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will upload it. Yesterday there was some issue with the internet connectivity, so I was not able to upload the syllabus also. I'll do it right away. Don't worry. Today you'll find the PPT over there. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
won't you take attendance?
I have downloaded the attendance. We have the option of downloading the attendance. So your attendance has been downloaded. Don't worry about it. Please be very careful of your joining time in the class, because the attendance that we download, it gives us the timing. You know, when did you join the class? So even if you attend the entire class, but if you join the class, you know, somewhere around 10:30, 10:40, you will be marked absent.
Ma'am,
I
I
will
lost connection in between for a few minutes.
No, so even if you lose the connection, it shows. I'll just share my screen with you once again, and you'll see for yourself.
Ma'am, I also lost connection in between, so I exit the meeting.
No, but then you connected again, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, I'm sharing my screen with you. Can you see your attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
See, the time is also visible.
Ma'am,
So,
can you
like
scroll down?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
You joined, then you left, then you joined. So it becomes very visible. So we understand if it shows joining left again and again. So there is some issue. That is right. But if you're joining late, if the class is being joined late, then even if you attend the entire class, you will be marked absent. So this is how we get to know your, the joining time of the class. You can see for yourself, right? And from here, I mark your attendance.
Ma'am, what is the time difference till you get the attendance?
I am because of the technical glitches that we face, I'm giving you some kind of I'll give you the margin